Yeah, we're getting some pretty decent rain, actually. Yeah, we're actually getting some pretty good rain. That cloud. And I'm hearing lots of thunder. Yeah, it's starting to really come down. Today's Monday, August 25th, 2014, and yeah. By the way, guys, there is going to be some changes to my YouTube account. You already noticed. Now, I've done a few changes, as some of you already noticed. And the changes are, I'm going to no longer, now I have to approve comments, and I'm not doing this to be mean or anything. I'm just doing this because I'm trying to get some of the trolls to stop disliking my videos like crazy. Trying to get them to stop disliking my videos like crazy. So that's why I'm doing that. And also, like I said, I removed the like and dislike buttons. Yep, there's thunder right there. And yeah, it's pretty thick rain. Yeah. Oh my god. Guys, it's hailing. Look at that. Hold on, let me get my mom. It's hailing. Because I want to keep hail in the bag. Mom, it's hailing. Get a bag. I want to pick it up. I want you to pick it up and, like... Look it. Small. Oh. It's too small? Sorry, guys. The hail was too small for my mom. I was just curious if my mom could,
Pick up a little piece?
Yep. Oh my god, look at it. I just saw a piece of hail. Look at that.
I think it's just mostly real heavy rain.
No, it's hail. Look at that. Oh my god.
Oh, it is a little bit. It's pretty small. Okay, I better get my plants, honey.
Yeah, okay. Whoa, hail.
Oh, hey. I'm going behind you.
Hail. That was not too bad. It was only a few pieces of hail. I mean, there could be some more hail, but I don't know yet.
Alright, maybe I'll put my plants back out.
Yeah, I knew it was gonna hail, Mama. Guess what? I was correct. I knew it was gonna hail because of the rain. I knew it was gonna hail.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Get past you there.
Yeah. But yeah, like I said, it hailed. Sorry, Mom's just putting her plants down. But yeah, for now I'm going to stop this video and see you guys later. Bye-bye.